going on, everybody? Quick little video. Finna go out here and soak a couple shrimp out here in this water. I pulled into the little cutty cut. It's right off the road. Got a few extra shrimp. Finna fish with them. See what I can catch out here, cuz. Let's go. Got a little shrimp on there. Throw them out though. See what's going on with them. Ain't got no place to put my rod at. It's a crab down there, y'all. I'm just playing with a crab right now. Let's see if he eat that shrimp. It look like he coming towards it. Yup. Just want that shrimp. He got it. I'm gonna let him keep it down there and get the net for him. Gonna get us a crab, y'all. Let's see if we can get us a crab. Oh, net, got you. All right, got the net. Let's see, still ain't, he pulled my pole in the water. No, he ain't pull it in the water yet. It's my first time attempting to try the crab. Look at him, he got my crab, he got my shrimp. Got him. Oh, he got away. He got away, y'all. Dang it. He got away. Well, that was a fail. I suck. Try to lure him back down there with that shrimp. Hot dang it. Something biting me out, though. Getting bites unless that the shrimp is literally running like that. I don't know. That's a needlefish right there. I don't want you, brother. I want that backwater redfish out here, my guys. Stay away from me, needlefish. Y'all think that's the shrimp moving? Look at the line. It's just a little dun. I don't know. Whatever it is, I'm just gonna let it keep doing what it do down there. You gotta tighten that line all the way up for me to kill. I ain't gonna kill. It's probably the shrimp on there moving around. Probably about to sit 5 more minutes, ready to hit the road, y'all. It's just a quick one. See if we can get a fish out of here. spot we is though. So you never know. Things can change like that. I think it's a crab, y'all. It's just heavy pressure at the end of it. You let it go. Am I out here really finna catch a crab? That's gonna do it, everybody. I'm finna go ahead and turn this pump off and let these shrimps go back in the water. They live. I got them live and they gonna leave me live. Y'all can live again another day. A few of y'all left. Y'all will survive. Yeah, y'all already gone. Popping butt. Pop, pop. Get your oxygen levels back right, shrimp. I'm sorry I kept you too long. You gonna live though. Look at you. Yeah, look at you. Down there popping and all that. Put you right in the grass. Y'all be good, all right? Y'all be good. Stop acting like you did. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Act like you know something. Go ahead and survive, buddies. Survive, survive, survive. Sorry, y'all. Y'all good, though. All right, that's the video, y'all. Quick little something. Ain't catch Nathaniel. Almost caught a crab. Didn't catch him, though. So, zilch. That's fishing, though. Had a fun time out here, though. Let it ride. Catch y'all next video.